Once upon a time, on a vibrant and lush island known as Bird Island, lived a group of colorful and spirited birds. These birds were known for their peculiar ability to launch themselves through the air using a giant slingshot. They were the legendary Angry Birds, and they spent their days protecting their eggs from the mischievous green pigs who constantly tried to steal them. The leader of the Angry Birds was Red, a fiery and courageous bird with a strong sense of justice. Alongside him were his loyal friends, Chuck, the speedy yellow bird, Bomb, the explosive black bird, Matilda, the nurturing white bird, and the adorable yet powerful Blues, a trio of small blue birds. One sunny morning, the peaceful island was disrupted by the sudden arrival of a massive airship. It was piloted by the notorious King Pig, who had concocted a new plan to steal the birds' precious eggs. This time,